In this video, I'll show you how to link your Cash App to a Rocket Money account and explain whether it's possible. By the way, if you run a business, Cash App probably isn't the best option for you, but I'll explain more about that later in the video. A lot of people want to connect Cash App to Rocket Money to track spending or manage subscriptions. So let's walk through how this works. First, open your web browser or the Rocket Money app and sign in to your Rocket Money account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard where all your connected accounts, spending insights, and subscriptions are shown. From this dashboard, look for the option to add or link a new account, usually under Banking, Checking, or Linked Account. When you choose to add a new account, Rocket Money will show you a list of supported banks and financial services. Use the search bar and type in Cash App to see if it appears as an available option. After searching, you'll notice that Cash App does not show up in the list of supported accounts. This means Rocket Money does not currently allow direct linking with Cash App. Because Cash App is not supported, you cannot link your Cash App account directly to Rocket Money for automatic tracking. Your Cash App balance, transactions, and spending will not sync into Rocket Money. If you still want to track Cash App activity, the only workaround is manually reviewing your transactions or using a linked bank account that Cash App transfers to, if applicable. So at this time, linking Cash App directly to a Rocket Money account is not possible due to platform limitations. Cash App is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, Airwallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what Cash App offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed Airwallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.